Do you know that Germany creates over $8,700 of manufacturing value per person, while India creates only $340? So why? And more importantly, how can we change this? Hi, I am Jai Kishan Vasdawala, founder and CEO, iPengram. And today we are going to talk about most important but least understood metrics in manufacturing and economic growth, that is PC-MVA, or per capita manufacturing value added. This single number can tell you how productive a country's factories are, how advanced its manufacturing sector is, and how much close is it to Industry 4.0 and 5.0 readiness. Let's simply break it down. Now, what is PC-MVA? So, per capita manufacturing value added means the average manufacturing contribution per person in a country. In simple terms, PC-MVA equals to manufacturing value added divided by population. Now, the manufacturing value added is the real economic value created by the factories after subtracting raw materials, energy, and intermediate cost. So, this metric tells you how much value does manufacturing creates per citizen. Now, let's understand this with an example. Now, let's say a country's manufacturing output is $1 trillion and population is 100 million. That means PC-MVA is equal to $10,000 per person for that country. This means manufacturing contributes $10,000 per person to the country, which is a sign of high productivity and advanced industry. As per the World Bank's data, India's manufacturing value added is equal to around $490 billion and India's population is about 1.45 billion. That means India's PC-MVA is only about $340 per person per year, which is a much lower than global average, which is $1,936. And if we compare that with other countries, Germany has over $8,700, South Korea has around $8,000, and Ireland has about $30,000 per person per year, which is a very high. Now this shows a huge productivity and value gap. Now the question comes, why is India's PC-MVA is very low? There are three main reasons. So number one, lower manufacturing productivity per worker. Number two, large population diluting per person value. And number three, high share of low value labor intensive manufacturing. Now this doesn't mean India is weak. It means India has massive untapped potential. So in simple words, PC-MVA tells you how strong and productive a country's manufacturing sector is per person. India's number is low today, but that means growth opportunity is enormous, especially with Industry 4.0 and 5.0. And if you are a factory owner, MSME leader, policymaker, or bureaucrats and want to make India a superpower by 2047, then this metric should be on your radar. And if you want to understand how AI, automation, and smart factories can transform manufacturing, then subscribe to this channel and I'll guide you step by step. Jai Hind.